Good morning. This is Scott Smith from Central Valley HHO. It's been a while since we've done a video. What I'm here talking about is our monitoring. We've been telling you that for years, that we use monitoring technology to monitor the equipment and our hydrogen system along with it. But what I'm here to show you is this is an earth mover. And again, I would love other hydrogen companies to put up their data. I mean, so many hydrogen companies say they've done earth movers. Well, I can prove that we are doing earth movers. So as you can see, this is one out of about 103. And you can see its average speed, average consumption, gallons per hour, how many days actual engine run. This is about a month's worth of data, as you can see there on the timestamp and date stamp. The other cool thing about our data is we can actually break it down day by day, and it gives you your average. So this is just a quick little video on an earth mover that we're currently working with the company. We're actually working with 3 different mines that have earth movers. So it's pretty exciting. These things swallow a lot of fuel, as you can see. So I'll do an updated video and show you the results as soon as we get all this up and running. Again, this is Scott from Central Valley. Thanks.